Hey folks, it's English with Richard. We're diving into some tricky grammar today, advanced tenses. Mastering these subtle differences will make your English sound more natural and sophisticated. So let's learn and grow. Let's dive in. Section 1. Present perfect simple versus continuous. Lots of learners struggle with the difference between the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. Present perfect simple. Focus on results. I've written 3 emails today. She has finished her project. They have bought a new car. Present perfect continuous. Focus on duration or activity. I've been writing emails all morning. She's been working on her project since Monday. They've been saving up for a new car. Section 2. Past perfect and past perfect continuous. These tenses show what happened before another event in the past. Past perfect simple. Action completed before another past action. By the time the meeting started, she had finished her report. He had left before I arrived. They had visited Paris twice before moving there. Past perfect continuous. Ongoing past action before another post action. He was tired because he had been working all night. She had been studying for hours before the exam began. They had been arguing before the teacher walked in. Section 3. Future perfect. The future. The future perfect looks ahead to a point in the future. By next week, I will have completed my assignment. By 2030, scientists will have discovered new treatments. It's brilliant for goals, deadlines, and achievements. Practice tip with an example. Here's how to practice. Draw a timeline with past, now, and future. Example, I had studied English before I moved abroad. Past perfect before another past action. I have studied English for years. Present perfect connects past to now. By next year, I will have studied English for a decade. Future perfect completed by a future point. See how the timeline places each action. Section 5. Homework challenge. Write a short diary entry using all 5 perfect tenses. Present perfect simple, present perfect continuous, past perfect simple, past perfect continuous, and future perfect. Post some of your sentences in the comments. I'll give you feedback. Well, that's it for today's Advanced C1 tense workout. Stay classy, curious, and always learn and grow. See you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.